Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to do a science experiment. Lava coming out of a volcano. The things we need for this experiment are aluminum foil, some vinegar, and a big plate, and a small plate and glass. The small plate and the glass are used to make the volcano. We also need some baking soda mixed with food coloring. We need yellow or orange food coloring. If you don't have that food coloring, your lava will come out white. We also need a tape. We need to tape the bottom of the glass to the small plate and wrap the aluminum foil around it. The things are also listed in the description below. After wrapping the aluminum foil, the volcano looks like this. We need to make a hole in the middle for the lava to come outside. After making the hole, we need to add the baking soda to the hole into the volcano. I have added all of the baking soda into the volcano. Now we need to put the vinegar into the volcano so the lava come oozing out. Wow. This is the volcano experiment. Interesting, isn't it? When baking soda is added to vinegar, the mixture will foam up as carbon dioxide gas. That's why we see the foam coming out as lava. Please do this experiment with a grown-up supervision. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.